Are you struggling with side fat or love handles? Then I'm going to show you just one standing move today, which is so easy and simple, no crunches and no equipment needed, which has helped thousands of women tighten and tone their waistline just like I have. I'm dietitian Natasha Mohan and also a fitness coach, and with this one simple move I'm going to show you 3 levels: beginner, advanced and intermediate, so that you can pick and choose whatever suits you and you can do it accordingly. It is completely very easy and super effective. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you how to use this one simple move so you can get really fast inch loss and fat loss results. The main reason why you have this stubborn belly fat could be any one of these 4 reasons. Be it genetics, if your mother, your grandmom, anybody has it, maybe you have it too. The stubborn area of fat over here around your central area and your side belly fat. Maybe you're having hormonal changes. Maybe you're having a problem which is more so related to your lifestyle. Maybe you're just wrong eating habits. So let me know in the comment section which one of these 3 reasons is your reason to have this stubborn side belly fat, which often is a cause of concern because you're not able to wear your favorite clothes. I want to know right now in the comment section, all of you. Come on now, tell me your reasons. Now let's start up with a quick warm-up to loosen our waist and activate the core area. This is the main area for any exercise that you have to do for your abdominal fat, be it your side fat, upper fat or lower belly fat. This twist is what you have to do. Twist all the way backwards like this. Just tap your toes. Now let me show you the second warm-up move. This is the second warm-up move which we have to do. Well done. Now let me show you the first standing move, which is a beginner level. So the first move is a simple and easy. You have to stand like this with your shoulder width apart. Your feet should be, your hand should be behind your head and your elbow should be pointing outwards and not droopy. So make sure your hand is straight and take your knee up like this. Yes, this is the beginner level. It's a common exercise, but I'm going to teach you the intermediate level after this, which is even more effective, but so is this. We've already started the 1-minute timer, so do it along with me. You don't have to do it fast. Just make sure you're doing it right. Well done. So for now, the second move, which is intermediate friendly, but even beginners can actually graduate to the second move very soon. You don't have to wait for weeks. You should be able to do the second intermediate level the very next day. For this, we're going to keep our hands again like this. And instead of this, we have to do out kick like this. Take it all the way high as much as you can. And it's targeting this very area. That's the target area. You want a slim and tight waist. This is the exercise which you should be doing. So proud of all of you for hanging in there. Keep going and don't stop just yet till we complete a minute together. Well done. The third advanced level, you're going to need weights. If you don't have weights at home, there's no need to worry. That's not how I began my journey. I began with a water bottle which had 1 liter water in it as my easy weights on a daily basis. But now I've graduated to this. You please, if you don't have weights, you can just use a water bottle which is filled with water, about 1 or 1.5 liters. Please don't take a 2 liters bottle. That might be just a bit too heavier. So the easy way of doing it is, I'm going to show you now. We're going to take both our hands up in the air like this and then do the side crunches. Hope you're doing it along with me. Even though this is the advanced level, it cannot get easier than this. To lose your love handles, your side belly fat, in the comfort of your own home. Fitting into all your favorite summer dresses. That's the goal for many. Got a bulge, no pain, and no gain. I'm so proud of you for doing it along with me. I've thoroughly enjoyed making this video for you, and I can feel the pain along this very area, the stress and the pull. If you want to feel it too, don't forget to do this workout with me every single day. And if you want, you can even do it twice a day. Work never finishes for me. As you know, I'm sitting on a chair ready to shoot your next week's video. So if you're looking forward to the next week's chair workout, do let me know in the comment below by yes, I want. What better than sitting on a chair, watching your favorite TV show and then losing all those excess calories? Nobody wants to sweat it out in the open nowadays or go to the gym. But if you're looking to join a paid weight loss, customized, tailor-made program which is made according to your needs and your preferences, your likes and your dislikes, you can do so by just clicking on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program. We're not just a dietitian, but even a doctor comes on board to give you the desired transformation along with the help of a health counselor under my supervision and guidance. I look forward to seeing all of you in my contact list soon. Let's do it together. Let's become fit and lean together. That's what this channel is for. If you've not liked the video yet, please do so. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do so and hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon again next week. Until then, bye. I'm going to relax now.